Howdy chaps, welcome. Yeah, I have a nice Chubb lock here. I want to get in on this stock lock Sunday action. So this is a very nice Chubb rim cylinder. It's actually a kick inside a kick holder. It takes into a nice rim cylinder and very cool lock. So I've missed the last couple of Sundays from stock lock Sunday, so I'm gonna get this one in the can. It's early Sunday morning. It's 6:45 now. So let's see if we can get this fella picked before while we have time. So I'm gonna try this pick, and I think the forest diamond is the way to go with this lock. So we just grab one of them. Here we go, and we go pick it clockwise. We pick it clockwise. See what happens. It's that, eh? Right, let's kick off. Let's go. Stock lock Sunday. Chubb rim cylinder. Okay, let's see what we have. I need binders. Okay, pin 3 binded. Okay, really small click and straight into a false set. One loose. No, that was another click off 3. I think 4. False set's gone deeper each time there. Counter rotation off 6. Yes. Counter off 2. Yes. Okay. Lost false set a little bit. 3, 2 field set, 3 field set, 4 loose, 5 set, I think 6 dropped. There we go, got 6 picked. Now don't fall out, Joe. Nice deep false set there, right? Look at that. Right, let me see. Okay, one wants to go. Which one is there? Okay, I don't think one needs to be picked, alright, but okay, we'll get him. I'm not sure if there's anything else left. Might have got him. Okay. No, I don't think he did. Yeah, I don't think we got him that time. Lost our false set though a little. Okay. Tricky little bugger. Okay, let's go in here again now. Okay, false set is back. I think pin 1 is picked there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Oof. That was nicked good. Everything, I dropped everything I heard. I think I need to try one of them picks in 18,000. Going at a bit of an angle here. Tension, I feel that it's just about to fall out as well. So super light tension. See what happens here. Okay, we're getting definite counter rotation. There we go. That was definite counter rotation off pin 3. Definite counter rotation off pin 1. And the pick slipped off first. There we go. Got a false setback. It's 3 again. Was it? Counter off 3 there. Okay, 6, got him. 5, 4 now. Come on, 4. Oh, no. Okay. I didn't get 4 set that time. Okay, this time. Save the 4 set. We definitely lost something. 2. Tough lock, some spool ping pong going on here. 5, 6, yes, 6, and we're open. Yoo-hoo, not bad at all. Yeah, baby, have to be careful with this, no clip on the back. as I found out the very first time I picked it. The unfortunate way I found out. But it's all good. It's all good. All is well that ends well. Eh? Turn this Betsy around. Let's sit down here. Get that stuff to the side. Fantastic idea as well. But with this stock lock Sunday thing, very cool idea. I do enjoy picking stock locks. I have to admit. I suppose I enjoy it just as much as I enjoy picking challenge locks. Some stock locks, obviously, not them all. There'll be no key for this, so we need to be careful. Doing that like that. I won't bother removing the kick cylinder. We'll just take them out the normal way. So, okay. I'm gonna use a shim just to be safe, eh? If I can get it. There we go. Now, this way. Okay. Let's shim. I want to go. Forget the shim. Here we go. We got it without the shim. Very awesome. Good old Chubb. Very nice counterman in there. That's why I kept losing my thoughts there. Very nice. Nice deep one in 3. Cool. Very cool. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, it's awesome. Nice, very nice counterman and all 6 chambers. And let's see what we have upstairs here. Should be some spools going on up here. Pick the seat there. Yeah, a nice spool there. Very nice. Another one. And a standard. There's a standard in 3. Spool in 4. A standard in 5. And a spool in 6. So there we go. Very nice, very awesome Chubb. Won't bother with the springs. Need to reload them. So yeah, Chubb rim cylinder. Picked and gutted. Just arrange these pins. Actually, a bit of beveling as well on some of those. So, yeah, they are kind of beveled. So alright. Make you overset them a little easier. Make those pins drop. Spools though are very, very, very nice. Lovely counter rotation off them, and a very enjoyable pick all around. There you go, fellas. There's a nice look at the pins. Okay, and there you go. Stock lock Sunday. Awesome idea. Very good, Al, and seems to be gaining some excellent traction. Some great videos so far. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.